Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Quick unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 7. This is the stainless steel edition with the Link Bracelet band. Now, most of the Apple Watches you see are fitness watches, but for me, I bought this to go with my white gold chain and white gold bracelet. So I'm buying this strictly for fashion. I don't care about the heart sensors. I don't care about my blood pressure, taking none of that nonsense. So you need to look good with my jewelry. Samsung fanboys, calm down. There's the Galaxy S21 Ultra, so please don't kill me in the comments with Apple fanboy nonsense. Just a quick unboxing, just to show a different version of the Apple Watch. We always see the cheap version, but this one is a little bit more expensive. I don't want to say how much, but it's over 4 digits, so I'll just let you do the research. Anyway, hope you have a good day. Not posting this to brag or anything, just posting this just to show what it looks like, a different Apple Watch, that's all. I'm coming from a Series 4, so I'm looking forward to the bigger screen and the faster charging. Anyway, paid for this for my own money. This ain't no Apple ad, this is all me, so have a good one, y'all. Take care.